24 Kuki residents of New Lambulane area were evicted in the intervening night of 1st and 2nd September. As per report, the Kukis were woken up in the intervening night of Friday and Saturday by a team of uniformed armed personnel who claimed to be acting under the directives of the Home Department. In a release issued by Reverend S. Prim Wi-Fi and Haijanki Kent on behalf of the 24 Kuki residents, it has been stated that they were not given time to pack their belongings and were literally herded into the Casper bulletproof vehicles. Meanwhile, the apex body of the Kuki tribes, INPI Manipur, has declared total separation of Kukis and Meiteis after the evacuation of the 24 Kuki residents from the New Lambulane area. According to reports, INPI Manipur has requested the Government of India to expedite the political dialogue with the UPF and KNO under suspension of operation for peace and lasting solution, coupled with their demand for separation administration.